welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new. In today's video, we'll be using the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm so excited to use this. I have used this on my channel before. I did a blue eye look with it, using the blues, and I think it turned out really pretty. Today I'm going to go in with the purple type colors, but before we get started, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post bell notification so you never miss a new video like this one. And also comment down below what you guys want to see next on my channel. And also follow me on all my social media, which I'll leave in the description box down below. So I went ahead and I primed my eyes already using the Urban Decay Eye Primer, an original. And I went ahead and set the primer using the shade Flashback. And then I went and blended like a little bit into my crease using Tude. Nothing special, you couldn't really see it. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Love That, which is a purpley reddish type color, and I'm gonna start blending that into my crease. And I'm using this doe brush. It's just like an Avon brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of blend it and place it right into the crease. Then I'm gonna blend it up a little higher than I normally would, because when I go to apply the next color, I want it to still be visible. Wild brush, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of Tude again, just to kind of blend those edges out. This brush is stained, and also like the tip of it is pink, so just a little FYI for you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and try to blend those edges out. I'm next going to take this e.l.f. eye crease brush, which is like a little tiny pencil-y type brush, and I'm going to take Single, which is this color right here, and I'm going to apply it to my outer corner and bring it pretty far in, because then after we'll be using this dark color, which is Escape, on the very outer corner of my eye to darken it up. So I'm just going to be taking Single and applying it on my outer corner. After I have it on my outer corner the way I like it, I'm just going to take whatever left on my brush and bring it in the crease. I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 25 medium. This is obviously like way too dark for me, but I use it for my eyelids. And I know James said like don't use concealer for like his palette, just because some of like the formula and stuff will react weird. But so far every time I've used this with like the shimmer colors, it's always worked out okay. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and apply it. And I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay Naked 2 brush. It's just like a little flat top brush, just so I can apply the concealer. I'm then going to be taking this really pretty purple. It has like shifts of blue in it, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply it, and I'm going to apply it right where I put the concealer. like so reflective. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back in with Love That on the same brush and blend the crease out a little bit so we have a seamless line, and I'll be right back. So I just went ahead and added a little bit of ring light, which is this bright color right here, just on top of it because I didn't think it was popping as much as I wanted it to, and I think this looks really, really pretty. So now I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques shader brush and I'm gonna go in with the color Escape to kind of darken this look a little bit. And I'm just going to apply it to my outer corner so I can blend the shimmer and the outer edge together. And I'm just going to take the other side of that Naked 2 brush just to kind of blend those edges together. I'm then just going to take the color Single again on my little liner brush, flat liner brush, and I'm just going to pack that under the lower lash line. Sister, which is this light pinky color right there, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner and a little bit under my lash line just to connect the purple together. I'm going to go ahead and do brows liner, mascara, and lashes off camera like I normally do, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. So this is the final look. It looks really, really pretty. These lashes are, like, I've used them a few times, so they're not like the best lashes, but for this look I think they're good enough. But for glue, I used the Kiss lash adhesive. For my like waterline, I used my NYX retractable eyeliner in black. For top liner, I used Maybelline's Master Precise by Face Studio in black. For my brows, I didn't do anything crazy. I just took the Rimmel London Brow This Way gel in clear. And for mascara, I used Tarte's Lights Camera Flashes mascara to blend the lashes together. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next on my channel. And also make sure you guys subscribe. Turn on the post bell notification so you never miss a new video like this one. And follow me on my social media. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!